Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Calke Abbey and we're come down to check their Christmas event out for 2025. So I have been here before. You might remember a video I did from here a couple of years ago. It was quite popular actually. So yeah, apparently there's not as many rooms open today, but what they have done in each of the rooms is properly decorated out for Christmas. So look forward to getting in there and checking out and taking you guys along with us. We're now nearly on 2,500, so welcome to everyone who's recently joined. Lots planned for 2026, lots of trips outside the UK as well, and I'll keep you updated with that in the next video.